Today, we're going to talk about how to use Google Scholar alongside IU libraries in order to maximize your research. To get to Google Scholar, scroll to the bottom of the library's homepage to the brown bar with featured resources and click on the first link. You can also access Google Scholar by typing scholar.google.com into your browser. You'll get a page that looks a lot like the main Google search page you're familiar with. Let's search Black Lives Matter. The results page shows us more than 2 million results with links to articles and books. Many of these articles have been made available for free, as you can see by the links on the right-hand side of the page. If you aren't able to access the full text of an article by clicking the title, check to see if there is a link on the right. Often, these links lead to free content when the linked title does not. IUB Libraries already provides access to many of the journal articles indexed in Google Scholar. When you've found an article you'd like to read but aren't able to find a free version through Google Scholar, select IU Link to access an article for free through the library's databases. While on IUB campus, you'll have easy access to articles linked through Google Scholar. If you're off campus, you'll want to enable library links in order to gain access to the articles through IU libraries. To enable links to resources available through the IU libraries, open the menu, click on Settings, and click on Library Links. If the IU box isn't already checked, enter the name into the search bar and select Indiana University, Bloomington. And remember, if you've been looking for longer than 10 minutes, click the Ask Us button on the library homepage to chat with, email, visit, or call a librarian. Happy researching!